Well, things are starting to pick up for me. I've already got like 3 or 4 things planned for next month. And I just found something. National night out for downtown. Let's see how that goes. Holy shit. It's already 9 o'clock and I barely got a damn thing. But I did spend a lot of the day trying to get a few things to work. I'm trying to get Twitch to work on my phone, which I'm kind of having trouble with because my phone is kind of finicky when it comes to that stuff. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know why. Secondly, I am looking into getting stuff over the next month or so. There's a lot happening. Let's see. 4th of July obviously is in a few days. About a week from now as I'm recording this. I'm going to try and be going up to Anoka at some point over the next month. And Pride Festival. I'll tell you I'm trying. Anyway, as I was saying, 4th of July is coming up in about a week, give or take. Then there's, on either side of the, let's see, my birthday's on the 14th. I don't know if I'm going to be doing anything for my birthday. But on the weekends on either side of my birthday, there's a few other things. Pride Festival is the weekend after my birthday. And then there's something else either the weekend before or the weekend after that I was planning on doing too, so. Let's see if I can actually keep up with that schedule and add a few more things to it. Everybody in the club getting tipsy. Snarf.
I started to fucking tinkle right when I was taking my willy out. What fucking telephone number?
What? Yeah, as soon as I start recording, you stop. Are you gonna crack out again? Huh?
Our fucking face. The little fucking diagonal ears.
But Snarf. So, what's your favorite movie? Or one of your favorite movies?
Tits.
I have 3. Thank you for asking. And that is a reference to another movie that I really like. If anyone knows the name of that movie, let me know. Come here, McCheese. Oh, kitty. Oh, I hear the kitty purring. Your chest is all wet. Were you licking yourself? Huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the kitty. Cat butt. Oh, the head nugs. The head nugs on the camera. Cat butt. Are you gonna start scratching again? Huh? What do you see? What? Hey, kitty. Hi, kitty. Oh, the kitty followed me in here. Yeah, kitty followed me in here. Well, I don't know, I haven't really had too much go on today was film worthy, so pretty much gonna end the video here. I must have changed the time on the. Anyway, I'm editing yesterday's, or I'm gonna be getting all the clips together for yesterday's video. I'm also going to be editing today's video. I just now imported, or started importing all of the clips for yesterday's video in. Anyway, I know there's been a lot of cat clips recently. And I'm not going to make an excuse for that. There's been a lot of cat clips. I get it. But, I don't know. It is already 1:45 the next day. I've been waking up at fucking 9 a.m. the past couple days. And that's when my body has been used to me waking up at fucking noon, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, because I keep getting calls from idiots. and my body just hasn't recovered. So, like I've said before, that was all my fault. I'm going through all my friends lists, all my followers, all that stuff. And, deleting what I can off of my friends list and off of all the people that I follow. I'm deleting all the old messages that I don't need. So that's going to be the improvement there. Cutting people out that I don't need. And I'll figure stuff out from there. It's the improvement that that's what started me on this whole improvement journey, so. I just got tired of putting up with other people's drama and other people's bullshit and trying to use that as a way to grow, basically. So, I'll figure everything out as I go along, and I will see all of you in the next video, whenever that is. Oh yeah, how I end every video. If you made it this far, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't, hit that bell notification, and I do look forward to seeing you all in the next video.